Aligning your HR and payroll systems doesn't have to be a headache. If you're struggling with managing both or dealing with constant errors and delays, you're not alone. But today, I'm going to show you how to align your HR and payroll seamlessly and make your life a whole lot easier. The first step is understanding why alignment matters. When HR and payroll systems are disconnected, it can cause a domino effect of errors. From missed paychecks to inaccurate tax filings, these mistakes can take up precious time and resources. But when your systems talk to each other, things run smoothly and you can focus on what really matters, your employees. Now let's talk about the practical steps to make this happen. One of the easiest ways to align HR and payroll is by choosing software that integrates both functions. This software should allow HR to manage employee data, time tracking, and benefits, while also automating payroll processing, tax calculations, and direct deposits. This eliminates manual input, reduces errors, and ensures accuracy across the board. It's also crucial that you're using software that stays updated with changing laws and regulations. Compliance is key when it comes to payroll, and staying on top of these changes manually is a headache nobody wants. The software I recommend in the description below will handle compliance updates automatically, keeping you ahead of the game. Another game changer is automating workflows. When HR and payroll are linked together, workflows like onboarding new employees, setting pay rates, and handling deductions can be automated. With automation, you minimize errors and reduce the chances of things slipping through the cracks. Next, make sure that your payroll system is as transparent as possible. Transparency is essential for both you and your employees. Your payroll software should generate easy-to-read reports, so you can see exactly where money is going and ensure everything aligns correctly. This transparency makes it easier to spot discrepancies before they become problems. Finally, ensure that your team is trained on the software and systems you're using. Even with the best software, miscommunication and lack of training can create issues. Make sure your HR and payroll teams know how to use the system properly and are familiar with the key features. This will help avoid mistakes and improve efficiency across the board. Now, I know there are a lot of software options out there. I've tested a lot of them for you, and I'm confident that the software we're using here will make a difference. And guess what? I've arranged an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. So if you want to follow along and see how it works in action, check the link in the description. The key takeaway today is that aligning your HR and payroll doesn't need to be complicated. By using integrated software, automating workflows, and ensuring transparency and compliance, you can eliminate the headaches and streamline your processes. And remember, if you want to try the software we're using, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching.